We have Catholic bishops commenting on what is going on in the country. But right now, let's head up north to Marsabit. In the last few weeks, Marsabit County has been experiencing devastating floods occasioned by effects of climate change. The floods have led to the destruction of pastoralist homes and critical infrastructure such as roads in the county. To address this challenge, non-profit organization Christian Aid through Start Fund has supported PASIDA to implement an innovative project aimed at cushioning communities affected by floods within 72 hours of their occurrence. This has been realized through cash transfer disbursements, distribution of sanitization kits such as jerrycans, buckets, sanitary pads, soap, and training of communities on gender-based violence prevention to safeguard against future disasters.
Yote nusu sahi kwa sababu chakula tulipata kutoka huko, tulipata cash transfer mara mingi.
Our major role is to collaborate with the community, identify community problems, and share the same problems with the stakeholders.
At communal setup, where schools, health facilities, communities live all together and benefit from each other. And with education for the children accessing schools were also restricted. And when this fund came on board, of course, it also supported education in a big way because the cash was non-conditional, which means it was the communities used them at their disposal. And I know a good number of beneficiaries were able to pay school fees for their children.
Our interventions are not ending today. The Start Fund is normally a very specific project that is funded to save lives and offer immediate relief.